How to buy Bill token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, of course, make sure to check the Rex account. Keep following the updates about this token. This is most important. Now, after that, you can check their Telegram also channel. They include it in the Rex account. And the most important, again, is go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have a big community there. Now, after that, what you need to do to buy this token, just go, and as you can see, it's available on the explainer. Now, the first thing about this token, and the most important of any token that you can buy, is go and check the liquidity. So as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 91%. That's good. That's mean your investment in the safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and remember the token address is under the Solana network. Now, the best wallet to buy this kind of tokens is Phantom Wallet. Now, open your Phantom Wallet. After that, click on swap. Now, make sure that you have enough Solana, of course, on your wallet. Now, click here and paste the token address, as you can see. Now, after that, click on your token. And here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. After that, click on the provider to be able to select your provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to complete the buy process. If you face any issue, just go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here or custom it. And after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Build token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.